Hey, Abby, look at the puppy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
She doesn't like it.
Abby. Look.
She doesn't want to look at it. It's freezing. Hold on. Abby.
You want us to take the batteries back out of it? Want to shut it off?
Want to turn it off?
She's scared of it now. Great. She went from liking it. Ooh. Oh, there goes Abby. I got that on video.
Oh, man.
America's Funniest Home Videos coming up, Tyler. We're going to be rich. Tyler likes it. Because it just knocks your sister out of the chair, so he loves it.
I like that.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think we got to take the batteries out, because Abby didn't like it. You want the batteries out? Hey, I got your finger right on your nose. You alright? Did you get hurt? I think someone's tired. Is someone tired? Are you tired, Abby?